In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a market on eToro. To get started, log in to your eToro account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main platform, where you can access the tools needed to explore different markets and keep track of the assets that interest you. From there, click Discover on the left sidebar. This section is where eToro organizes the markets and investment opportunities available on the platform. It's a useful starting point if you want to explore what's currently available, whether you're interested in stocks, crypto, commodities, indices, or other asset types. Next, browse through the available markets, or use the search bar if you already know the asset you want to follow. Searching can save time if you have a specific market in mind, while browsing is helpful if you're still comparing options or looking for ideas. Once you've found the asset you want, open its page. This is where you'll get a closer look at how that market is performing and what kind of activity is happening around it. Taking a moment here can help you better understand what you're following before adding it to your watch list. On the Assets page, review the Overview, Chart, Analysis, News, and Financials tabs. These sections give you a broader picture of the market. The Overview can help you quickly understand the asset at a glance. The chart shows price movement over time. Analysis may provide additional insights. News helps you stay updated on recent developments, and financials can offer more detailed performance information when available. Checking these areas regularly can make it easier to stay informed. When you're ready, click the watchlist icon or choose Add to Watchlist. This will start following the asset so you can keep track of it more easily without having to search for it again each time you log in. After that, return to Watchlist from the left sidebar. This is where all the markets you're following are collected in one place, making it much easier to monitor multiple assets side by side. From your watchlist, monitor price movements, news, and performance updates for the asset. This is especially useful if you're waiting for a better entry point or simply watching how the market behaves over time. Keeping an eye on updates can help you make more informed decisions. If you later decide you want to invest, open the asset at any time to place a trade. Following a market first can be a smart way to observe it before taking action. Thanks for watching.